I think ultimately we all sense and all feel as if we're out of control and that we can't influence certain areas of our lives. We all have a sense that we can't control or influence our body. We all have a sense that we can't influence or control our mind or our relationships or our career. To some degree, the majority of people in today's modern cultures and modern societies feel like they're out of control, and they feel like they're a victim to circumstance. Cold exposure and certain breathing techniques, as well as exercise and other things, but ultimately cold exposure and certain breathing techniques allows you to take back control. It allows you to influence certain parts of the brain so that you can turn off fight-flight mechanisms, so that you can turn off stress responses, so that you can switch yourself from a parasympathetic nervous system to a sympathetic nervous system, and in doing so you allow yourself to come into certain parts of your brain where you feel like you are in control, and ultimately take back control of your life. And that's really what we want for people. As a society and as a culture, we've become highly conditioned to feel that we need to protect ourselves, to feel like we need to defend ourselves from nature. Cold exposure actually gets you back to what's natural. And what's natural inside of your body is what's strong, is what's healthy, and is what's happy. Whenever you do anything with a group of people, especially when it's positive-minded and moving towards something that empowers you, that certainly becomes an extremely powerful experience that you share with those people. And typically we see those people go on to make very strong, healthy relationships with each other because they've experienced that discomfort and broken through, and it gives them a sense of camaraderie and strength in numbers. What I really want to say is that there is no growth in comfort, and whenever we're seeking comfort, a part of us is dying, and we must all seek to break free from our comfort zones, and we must all seek to break free from those chains that try to hold us back and try to keep us safe, because they actually enslave us. And whatever you can find that can break you free from those comfort zones to break through your limitations, you must step into that zone now.